welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Adovia, aka LA Hair and Beauty, and I'm back to show you guys how I reapplied my Dolly made wig I bought. These are some of the pictures of what it looked like. I felt like the roots was too dark, but too light for my liking and my skin tone, so I wanted to go in and do a shadow root. So I'm just showing you guys what came all in the package. This is adjustable band. You can sew onto the wig to make it tighter if it's too big or if it's too small. I don't know, but I didn't use it. I think it's a really good, thing that they have something in there like that in case the wig is too big, so you can go in and adjust it to your liking. Like I said, I got this wig off. I'm sorry, I said it wrong at first. It's Donmily, Donmily. It's an ombre highlighted pre-plucked 13x4 lace front wig, straight bob, and it's 150 density. It cost me about $136.48. It took about 2 weeks to get to my house. I think that's pretty good, about 2 weeks. The lace is, like a medium brown. I'm not sure. I think it's a Swiss lace. They came with 2 clips. Of course, I'm gonna cut those out because they end up hurting my head. Also, they have one in the back, and also the adjustable straps in the back, and also a piece of lace in the back that in case you want to glue the whole thing on front to back, but I don't do that. That's just too much. So you guys, I'm just showing you what the wig looks like. I love the highlights. Like I said, I think the roots are too light for my skin tone, so I'm gonna go in and darken those roots up just a little bit. This is when I first got the wig. I think I was going on vacation or something like that, and I wanted, something different. I'm just showing you guys the knots. The knots are fairly, small, but I went ahead and bleached the knots some more. I was ready to put that baby on. Now right here, you see me going in. I think I had like a chocolate. It was like a semi-permanent hair color, and I'm just going in and kind of feathering in the chocolate color and kind of make sure everything blends in well, because I want everything to smoothly look like it's transitioning instead of just being like a blunt demarcation line. So I went ahead and took my time, and I was letting my client out. Took my time. She was on the dryer. Took my time and kind of went in and combed the roots to make it a little bit darker. So right now I'm just randomly going in and combing down the color just to make it blend in just a little bit more, because I didn't want like the highlights just to be like to the back. I wanted everything to blend as if this was one application instead of, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just combing it through so you can have high and low lights down to the bottom so it won't look so weird. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So right now I'm just putting some foam on her to lay her up under the dryer so everything can be flat and nicely sealed in, and yeah, just make sure it's mainly flat so when I put it on, no extra hairs be sticking out. So I did my ball cap, putting on my glue. Make sure I put 3 layers. Like I said, I already wore this wig before, so you may see the lace already cut. But yes, I'm just reapplying this wig. Like I said, I went in and darkened the roots because I felt like the roots was just too light for my skin tone. So here goes the wig. I'm putting the wig on. You know, make sure I blow dry it, sealing the glue in, tie it down, and you know what comes next, the slay. So you guys continue watching the video and talk to you at the end. you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more content from me, just leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure I provide that for you guys. You can follow me on all social media platforms at LA Hair AB. Until next time, see you beauties later. Bye bye.